Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install Twitter on your mobile device. So first up, if you are using Android phone, you just need to go here on Google Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, you just need to go to App Store. Now here, go to the search box right there at the top and basically search for Twitter. And then tap on the search icon. And here, as you can see the result, so we have the X icon. So don't worry because Twitter has changed into X. So we have the X and the black background. So this is the new Twitter right now. So all you have to do is tap on the install button and you just need to wait until you finish installing to your mobile phone. Now, once done, you just need to go to your home screen and basically find that X app. And if we're going to open this one, as you can see, so you just need to sign up your account if you don't have an account yet. So you just need to go here or log in or sign up. And basically you have two options if you want to use your Google account or if you want to create a new account. And that's it. That's how you basically download and install Twitter app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.